Brookie. Okay, so look at Brookie and say hi. Heidi. Heidi. Whoa, big girl. Heidi, look at Brookie. Brookie, look at Heidi. Do it again. She loves it. Heidi, say hi to Brooklyn. Loves her sister. Yeah. Hi, Brookie. Hi, Heidi. Sisters. Best friends. You trying to give her the book? You gonna give her the book?
No.
No? Okay. Hi, Brookie. Hey, is that a Santa book or an angel book?
Angel book.
Angel book.
What's that?
Is that the Santa book?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. I love you.
What?